2026 is not just another number on a calendar. It doesn't arrive with fireworks or fanfare, but it carries a quiet intensity that asks for attention, whether you like it or not. There's a subtle whisper beneath the ordinary days, a gentle but persistent pressure that tests who you are and who you're willing to become. And that is exactly why this year can't be treated like any other. It's not normal, not routine, and certainly not forgiving to those who drift through it unconsciously. There is a certain clarity that comes when you recognize this, the kind that makes you suddenly aware of all the decisions you've been postponing, all the habits you've been tolerating, and all the opportunities that have quietly passed by while you thought you were busy or preparing. The first step in any real transformation is awareness, and right now, that awareness is knocking at your door. The question is whether you will answer it. You might feel that life has been moving slowly, almost imperceptibly, until one day you realize that so many moments have gone by without meaningful progress. That feeling isn't failure, it's insight. It's your inner voice telling you that something is ready to shift, that it's time to stop hoping things will magically improve and start actively shaping your reality. Transformation isn't about grand gestures or dramatic reinventions. It's about noticing the patterns that have kept you in place and choosing deliberately to step out of them. The difference between someone who enters 2026 unchanged and someone who uses it as a turning point isn't talent, luck, or circumstance. It's the willingness to look clearly at their own life and make intentional choices that align with the future they want to live in. Many people wait for the perfect moment, a signal that the timing is just right. But perfect moments don't exist. Time is neutral, it flows regardless of your readiness. Every year has the same hours, the same days, the same potential. What changes is the person moving through those hours, days, and months. That's why understanding the emotional and psychological layers of your current habits is crucial. Awareness alone isn't enough. You must also recognize the subtle ways you undermine yourself, the excuses you tell yourself to avoid discomfort, the stories you repeat about why things are impossible, the little compromises you make daily that accumulate into a life that feels ordinary rather than extraordinary. And when you see these clearly, the next step becomes inevitable: action. Action in 2026 isn't just doing more, it's doing differently. It's prioritizing what matters, shedding what doesn't, and committing to consistent, small steps that build momentum over time. Often, the hardest part is not the execution but the courage to start. Courage isn't loud. It doesn't always feel triumphant. Sometimes, it's quiet and almost imperceptible. It's the choice to sit with discomfort instead of avoiding it. It's the choice to confront truths about yourself without judgment. It's the choice to move forward while knowing that uncertainty is part of the journey. And this quiet courage, sustained over weeks and months, is what separates those who merely dream from those who live intentionally. There is also a psychological dimension to this turning point that cannot be ignored. Humans are wired for comfort, and comfort is often confused with safety. Yet what feels comfortable rarely leads to growth. When your routines, habits, and daily patterns are easy and familiar, they feel safe, but in reality, they silently enforce limitations. This is why many people look back on their lives years later and wonder why so much time passed without substantial change. Growth begins the moment you accept that discomfort is a necessary companion, not an obstacle. It's the subtle tension between who you are and who you could become that fuels progress. And acknowledging that tension is not a source of stress. It's the beginning of clarity. As you sit with this realization, you might notice a mix of hope and hesitation. Hope because you finally see a path forward. Hesitation because leaving behind old habits, old narratives, and old fears is never easy. But this is where the first of the 5 life-changing actions begins. Decide with precision what you will no longer tolerate. Not in broad strokes, not in vague intentions, but with crystal clear specificity. Identify the patterns, behaviors, and distractions that pull you away from your purpose, and commit to no longer allowing them to dictate your life. This step is deceptively simple but emotionally profound because it forces an honest assessment of your current reality. It demands that you face the truth without excuses. Once that decision is made, the next step involves examining your internal dialogue. The way you speak to yourself is not a trivial detail. It shapes every action, every choice, and every moment of motivation or hesitation. Many people move through life on autopilot, guided by self-talk that quietly erodes confidence and self-trust. Words like "I can't," "I'll try later," and "it's too hard" are more than expressions. They are frameworks for inaction. Rewriting this internal dialogue is not about fake positivity. It's about truthfully reinforcing your capacity to grow. It's about turning your mind into an ally rather than a silent saboteur. And when you master this, even difficult challenges become manageable because your internal environment supports rather than resists your goals. As 2026 unfolds, the third action emerges naturally. Design your environment for focus and growth. The spaces you inhabit, the people you spend time with, and the information you consume all feed into your mindset. If your surroundings are cluttered, distracted, or filled with negativity, they quietly drain your energy, subtly keeping you tethered to old patterns. Conversely, environments that encourage focus, inspiration, and intentionality reinforce your new choices. This is not about perfection or isolation. It's about strategically aligning your external world with your internal intentions. The smallest adjustments, removing unnecessary distractions, seeking mentors, or curating a daily schedule that prioritizes meaningful action, compound over time into transformative results. Another layer of transformation in 2026 is learning to embrace small wins consistently. Society often glorifies dramatic achievements, yet life-changing progress is rarely sudden. It accumulates quietly, step by step, choice by choice. Celebrating small victories isn't indulgent, it reinforces momentum and builds resilience. These incremental successes create a feedback loop where action generates motivation, which generates more action. This is the engine that carries you from hesitation to confidence, from planning to execution, and from ordinary days to extraordinary months. Finally, psychological readiness involves understanding the role of accountability, not external pressure, but self-accountability. Watching your own commitments, progress, and deviations with clarity is essential. Many people fail not because they lack ability, but because they stop monitoring their trajectory. Intentional reflection, journaling, and review sessions are not optional. They are essential instruments in translating awareness into sustained action. And as you practice this consistently, a new kind of autonomy emerges, the ability to course-correct mid-year, adapt gracefully to challenges, and maintain alignment with long-term objectives. These first few insights already establish a framework for why 2026 can be different, why it is not normal, and why the choices you make now carry exponential weight. Awareness, courageous decision-making, rewiring internal dialogue, designing your environment, and celebrating incremental wins collectively create a fertile ground for growth. Yet there is more ahead. The subtle shifts that will propel your life forward are interwoven with your daily habits, emotional management, and the narratives you choose to embrace or discard. And as you begin to notice the rhythm of these forces, you will start to sense that transformation is not a distant possibility. It is already in motion. As you move deeper into 2026, it becomes increasingly clear that transformation isn't an event. It's a series of conscious choices strung together over time. The choices that define your year are rarely loud or dramatic. They're the subtle shifts, the decision to pause before reacting, the decision to invest in your skills instead of scrolling endlessly, the decision to speak with clarity rather than defaulting to old patterns. And these small, deliberate choices, repeated consistently, compound in ways that feel almost invisible until one day, months later, you notice that your life has subtly but profoundly changed. It's not about sudden breakthroughs, It's about mastering the rhythm of intentional action and emotional awareness. One of the most overlooked factors in turning a year into a turning point is emotional clarity. Too many people move forward without understanding what they actually feel, why they feel it, and how those feelings are influencing their decisions. Emotions are not obstacles, they are information. Fear, hesitation, doubt, and even frustration are signals, not verdicts. When you learn to interpret them without overreacting, you gain control over your actions instead of being controlled by them. For instance, the moment you recognize that your discomfort is signaling growth, not danger, you stop avoiding challenges and start approaching them with calculated courage. And this shift in perception, subtle as it may seem, accelerates progress faster than sheer willpower ever could. Alongside emotional awareness, clarity about priorities is essential. Time is the one non-renewable resource in life, and how you allocate it in 2026 will determine not just the outcomes of this year, but the trajectory of your future. Many people think they are busy, but busyness without direction is wasted energy. Prioritization isn't about doing more, it's about doing what matters most and letting the rest fade into the background. Imagine if from day one, you could identify the actions that align directly with your long-term goals and give them your full attention. The ripple effect is staggering. Suddenly, the distractions that once consumed you lose their power, and every choice begins to reinforce the path you truly want to walk. Discipline is another pillar that quietly transforms ordinary efforts into extraordinary results. Discipline is not punishment, it is structure that protects your intentions. It's waking up even when you don't feel like it, practicing patience when results are slow, and committing to your actions regardless of temporary motivation. Many people underestimate the invisible power of consistent effort. It's not the big moments of inspiration that define a life, it's the countless small moments when you do what's necessary instead of what's easy. In 2026, discipline becomes a shield, a framework that lets you navigate challenges without losing momentum. Yet discipline alone is not enough. The fourth transformative action is intentional learning and adaptation. Growth demands that you remain flexible, that you notice what's working and what isn't, and that you adjust your approach without losing sight of your destination. Life rarely unfolds exactly as planned, and rigid adherence to old strategies can lead to stagnation. The people who turn a year into a turning point are those who embrace learning in real time. They experiment, fail, analyze, and iterate. This willingness to evolve keeps you ahead of inertia, turning setbacks into lessons and uncertainty into opportunity. Another subtle but crucial aspect of transformation in 2026 is the cultivation of self-trust. So much of personal growth falters because people rely too heavily on external validation or constantly look to others for reassurance. True change is only sustainable when you develop confidence in your own judgment, in your ability to navigate complexity, and in your capacity to recover when mistakes occur. Self-trust isn't arrogance, it's a quiet, resilient faith in yourself that allows you to move forward even when the path is unclear. And as you nurture this trust, decisions that once felt heavy now flow naturally, freeing up mental space for creativity, insight, and purposeful action. One of the most profound realizations you can have in this year is that progress isn't linear, and that's okay. Life doesn't move in straight lines, and neither should your expectations. There will be days when motivation wanes, when doubts rise, when old patterns sneak in. These moments are not failures, they are opportunities to practice resilience and reflection. Each time you notice a slip without judgment, course correct, and return to your priorities, you reinforce the neural pathways that make intentional living easier. Over time, these repeated adjustments create a rhythm, a momentum that carries you forward with far less conscious effort than you ever imagined. The fifth transformative action in 2026, which ties all of these insights together, is alignment of action and intention. Awareness, discipline, emotional clarity, and self-trust all converge when your choices are consistently aligned with your highest priorities and deepest values. Alignment is about coherence between what you want internally and what you do externally. When you act in alignment, the energy you exert is no longer wasted on trivialities. Every step, even small, becomes meaningful. Even when results aren't immediately visible, there's an underlying satisfaction and momentum that keeps you committed. This alignment is the invisible engine of lasting change. It is what differentiates a year that passes unnoticed from a year that reshapes your trajectory permanently. As these patterns take hold, 2026 begins to reveal its true potential. Ordinary days start to feel charged with possibility. Decisions become easier because your internal compass is clear. Opportunities that once passed unnoticed now appear in your awareness, and you can act decisively. You start to notice the quiet power of consistent, intentional actions and how they shape both your external circumstances and internal state. Life begins to feel less reactive and more creative. Instead of being swept along by the currents of habit, you navigate them with purpose and awareness. And with each day that unfolds, the realization grows that transformation isn't a distant event. It's happening right now. Quietly, steadily, invisibly, in the choices you make and the mindset you cultivate. As you move toward the latter part of 2026, something subtle begins to happen. You notice that the choices you make each day are no longer random or reactionary. The clarity, discipline, emotional awareness, and self-trust you've been cultivating are no longer concepts, they are lived experiences. You begin to see patterns where there once was chaos, opportunities where there once was hesitation, and momentum where there once was stagnation. This is the quiet reward of sustained intentionality. No one applauds it, no headlines declare it, yet it is profound. It is the kind of transformation that lasts because it is embedded in your identity rather than imposed externally. One of the most powerful realizations you will encounter in this phase is the role of patience. Change is not instant, and yet every choice you make, no matter how small, compounds over time. Each decision aligned with your priorities, each moment of disciplined action, and each instance of conscious reflection is a deposit into the bank of your future self. You may not see the balance grow immediately, but if you remain consistent, the trajectory of your life begins to curve upward in ways that feel almost inevitable. Understanding this transforms frustration into hope, doubt into curiosity, and effort into a source of quiet satisfaction. During this time, relationships begin to shift naturally. Not because you force them, but because the energy you bring into interactions changes. You are no longer reacting out of old fears, insecurities, or patterns. You speak more clearly, act with intention, and set boundaries calmly. People notice this change, even if they cannot name it. The quality of your connections improves because the quality of your internal life has improved first. This is an often overlooked aspect of transformation. External changes follow internal shifts. Your work, your relationships, your daily environment, they all respond to the coherence and clarity you cultivate within. Another vital layer of this phase is learning to embrace uncertainty without being paralyzed by it. Even with alignment, emotional clarity, and disciplined action, life remains unpredictable. Events, people, and circumstances will continue to change in ways beyond your control. Yet by now, you have developed the capacity to navigate uncertainty with calm and resilience. Fear no longer dictates your pace, curiosity and discernment guide your choices. You begin to see that the unknown is not a threat, it is a canvas, inviting you to create intentionally rather than react habitually. At this stage, reflection becomes your secret weapon. Regularly reviewing your progress, acknowledging small wins, and identifying subtle misalignments ensures that your trajectory remains deliberate. Reflection is not self-criticism, it is feedback. It allows you to celebrate growth, correct deviations, and deepen understanding of yourself and your priorities. When you integrate reflection into your daily rhythm, the pace of growth accelerates, and the confidence to take bold actions grows naturally. Each review session becomes a mini reset, realigning you with your vision for the year. The fifth action, alignment of action and intention, reaches its full power here. By now, you have removed distractions, cultivated clarity, practiced disciplined focus, and developed self-trust. Every decision you make carries weight because it reflects your priorities and values. This alignment creates an almost magnetic pull. The right opportunities, people, and experiences naturally converge in your life. Obstacles no longer feel insurmountable because your energy is directed strategically rather than diffused. Alignment amplifies effort and transforms ordinary action into extraordinary results. At this point, it's essential to internalize one truth. The transformation you are experiencing is not dependent on external circumstances. It is not triggered by recognition, reward, or validation. It is rooted in the consistent, conscious choices you make in the privacy of your own life. This realization is liberating. It means that no matter what the world throws at you, no matter how unpredictable 2026 may seem, you have cultivated the skills, mindset, and emotional resilience to navigate it effectively. You are no longer a passenger in your own life. You are the driver, fully present, fully aware, fully capable. As the year continues, you begin to notice that the small daily choices, the pauses to reflect, the conscious decisions to act aligned with your goals, and the consistent cultivation of emotional clarity create a life that feels authentic and expansive. You start to recognize that 2026 is not a year to be survived. It is a year to be consciously lived. The phrase, "this is not a normal year," is no longer a warning. It is a statement of opportunity. Every decision, no matter how minor it seems, contributes to a cumulative transformation that will carry forward for years to come. Finally, as 2026 moves toward its midpoints and milestones, there is a sense of quiet mastery that emerges. You understand that transformation is ongoing. It is never truly finished. Yet the confidence, clarity, and momentum you have cultivated create a stable foundation for continuous growth. You have learned to act despite fear, to embrace uncertainty, to focus with discipline, and to trust yourself deeply. These are not mere skills. They are a way of being. And as this new version of yourself consolidates, you realize that 2026 has become exactly what it was meant to be, a turning point, a year of alignment, a year of awakening to your potential, a year where intentionality replaced drift, and where action replaced indecision. So as you continue through this year, remember that transformation is not about grand gestures or external validation. It is about the steady accumulation of small deliberate actions, repeated consistently with awareness, courage, and clarity. It is about choosing alignment over convenience, presence over autopilot, and growth over comfort. And as you do, you will find that the life you envisioned, balanced, intentional, and full of possibility, is no longer a distant dream. It is the reality you are building, moment by moment, decision by decision, in the quietly extraordinary year that is 2026.